In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wix SEO features 2026 step-by-step guide. Start by opening your Wix dashboard, signing in, and selecting the site you want to optimize. On the left, head to Marketing and SEO and open the SEO setup checklist. This is your home base for everything we're about to do. Launch the SEO wizard by clicking Start Now. First, identify your business by entering your name and location. This is essential for local SEO so you can appear in Google Maps and nearby searches. Next, choose 3 to 5 specific keyword phrases your ideal visitors would actually type, like a job title plus a city or a clear service plus a niche. Avoid broad one-word terms. Think about intent and the problems your site solves. Move through your personalized checklist. Connect a custom domain such as a .com or .net. A branded domain builds trust and sets you up for better indexing. Then optimize your homepage, update your title tag and meta description, and let Wix's AI assistant suggest options based on your content. Keep the title clear, place a primary keyword near the beginning, and make the description compelling and action-oriented. Review AI suggestions so they sound natural and match your brand. While you're there, add descriptive alt text to your images so search engines and accessibility tools understand them. Describe what's in the image and its purpose without stuffing keywords. Next, verify your site with Google Search Console directly from the Connect to Google step in the checklist. Follow the prompts to grant permissions. Thanks to Wix's partnership with Google, you'll get instant indexing support, and your sitemap is submitted automatically so Google knows which pages to crawl. Take advantage of advanced 2026 features for AI search and structured data. In SEO settings, open structured data and ensure markup is enabled. Choose the correct type for your content, such as person, organization, or video gallery. Proper schema helps you appear in rich results like ratings, logos, and video previews, and positions your pages for AI-driven summaries. Check mobile and performance. Open the mobile editor to confirm your layout is responsive. Buttons are easy to tap, and text is readable. Remember, Google's mobile-first indexing ranks your site primarily by its mobile version. In your dashboard, review site speed and address heavy images or effects that slow loading. Finally, hit publish to make all changes live. Give it about 48 hours, then check your indexing status in the Wix SEO tab. Keep refining keywords, titles, and content over time, and you'll build steady compounding results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.